crypto adoption is on the rise globally. New tokens are launched every day, but it is hard to keep a track of which coins are going to be a good investment in the long run. You can follow our channel for learning about new projects and the general terminologies of the crypto market. Today, we are going to discuss an emerging token in the crypto world, True Badger. True Badger is a deflationary reflectional utility token. It was released in August this year by a team of experts. The price of True Badger has been growing ever since. We will put the link to True Badger in the description below. So in this video, we will describe the features of True Badger, reviews, how to buy the True Badger token, and price prediction for True Badger token. True Badger features. Number 1. Deflation. First of all, True Badger is a deflationary token, which means that its supply is decreasing with time. Every week, a portion of True Badger coins is removed from the market to keep its supply under control. As the supply decreases, the demand increases. The supply and demand discrepancies bring a surge in the values of token. So buying True Badger and holding on it for some period of time will help you to earn high profits. Number 2. Reflection. Secondly, the reflection features means that a portion of the token transaction goes back to the holder. True Badger uses this money as an innovation fund for new projects. The True Badger community has multiple projects so far. Number 3. Anti-whale feature. Whales often manipulate the markets for a new token for turning. It means that a bot or a big trader will buy a huge sum of tokens when they see the demand for a new token rising. This takes the price of the token up. Eventually, the whales dump the market. In order to avoid this, True Badger coin has stability funds and reflection, which gives holder the governance right. Number 4. Asset building. The fourth feature of True Badger Nexus ecosystem is asset building. The innovation funds go to building new assets like Catapult Swap and Insight. When these projects are launched in the future, their coins will be airdropped to the True Badger holders. Number 5. Community building. True Badger will be governed by the community. The developers of True Badgers are building the community by attracting new investors to the True Badger Nexus ecosystem. True Badger review. True Badger is a trustworthy token with all the data available online for anyone to access. You can go to the True Badger website and read all the documentation regarding the token. Moreover, anyone can take part in token burn parties and ask questions from the team. The team behind the True Badger is spread all over social media. You can interact with them and check their credentials. True Badger developers have kept everything transparent, hence you be sure that the token is not a scam. How to buy True Badger? You can buy True Badger using MetaMask wallet. MetaMask is a decentralized wallet. It is considered more secure than a centralized exchange. First, buy BNB, Binance Coin from a centralized exchange like Binance or Kraken. Transfer BNB to your MetaMask wallet. Then go to PancakeSwap and swap BNB for True Badger token. Holding on to token will make you a part of True Badger Nexus ecosystem. You can take part in governance and suggest new features for the tokenomics. Price prediction. The price of True Badger has increased significantly since its availability for the public in August 2021. At the moment, True Badger is trading around 0.004414 sats. The trading volume has increased by 44%, which shows a great deal of trading activity in True Badger market. Should I invest in True Badger? True Badger is a gift that keeps on giving. Once you invest in this token, you become a part of something big. The token has utility as well as long-term benefits of holding. You get a share in the benefits gained by the token. Additionally, you have a say in the governance of the token. The lifetime deflation of True Badger means that its price will keep increasing in future with decreasing supply. So you should definitely think about investing in True Badger for your own benefits.